Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on. You have reached your destination.
Here's something I've been meaning to do for quite some time, and that's take the paint and all the junk and so forth off the filler neck and soak it in vinegar. I've been doing this for a couple hours now, and you can see that vinegar is a very, very good rust remover. It'll dissolve this stuff like nothing else. And of course, a higher concentration of vinegar that you use, the better it is. So this is what, 6%? I think I've seen as high as 12, but don't quote me on that. So there we go. Oops, there's a better. I'll scrub that out with a stainless steel brush. That'll do some wonders. I've already got the inside cork and the outside rubber gasket. I'm going to rinse this off after I scrub down a little bit and paint it with clear coat, so it'll look nice. So I've got some design decisions to make on instruments, dash controls, and so forth. So while I try to figure that out, I'm going to do these. I did not buy these seals, left and right. I do, however, have a couple rolls of this stuff. I've cut it out. I've already tried something. All I'm going to do is warm this up. Nice and hot. It's away from the fan, by the way. And then I'm going to melt. Nice and red hot. There we go. See if I can do this. Damn it. Alright, this time with a tripod. All I'm going to do is see if I can do this. And if this is felt, I thought felt was made out of wool, but don't quote me on that. It's working before. Damn it, I didn't get hot enough. Alright, anyhow, you see my methodology. I'm going to melt this thing. I could probably cut it with a razor blade or something. I guess I could. Anyway, you'll see how I'm going to do this, and I'll get it done in a sec. Okay, well, that's how it's going to look. There's all the pieces. You're not going to see it. It's going to be effective. Take off the old and glue the old one on. Take off the old and paint everything. De-rustify it. Put the new one on. Yeah, guess I'll go with that. Another option I've got is just to not cut it out, glue it on, and then using the hot screwdriver method, just opening up the opening there. I may not do that though. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. Here's what I've done. You would remember that I've managed to clean it up really nicely and make it look like it was brand new, and rediscovered after I ordered 2 of these for my Roadster. I even went to the hardware store and bought all kinds of fucking metal to make my own holder, and it came with the bottle. So anyway, so I've moved the main relay to over here, so it's out of the way once the heater, blower, motor, and so forth is in, because that motor comes to about right here, literally. There was the hole of where it used to be mounted. It's not got a ground or a plug or whatever it is there. So that looks okay. I've had to extend the wiring. There's the yellow all the way across, under, and into the relay, and out of the relay, into the main fuse block. Let's see, what else have I done? Same thing with the white wiring. The white wiring is what sends voltage to the relay to turn itself on, and sends voltage to, via this fuse here, to the rest of what's on the green circuit. So that's not backup lights. That's headlights. That is turn signals, brake lights, and a bunch of other stuff. So that's what it was designed for. And then the top here, that's horn and a couple of spares. So let's see. I'm going to probably pack it in. What have I got to do next? Oh, you know what? So I've got pink. No, I don't need that. That's to energize the relay, the starter. Shoot, I don't know what I need to do next. Apparently my interior kit is coming. It's in shipping tomorrow, apparently. I finally got in touch with Mr. Skinner. My crushed radiator is still in what the fuckery land with Wizard Cooling and FedEx. I have no idea how long that'll take to get here. I'm going to order one off of eBay. I found one off of eBay. A 5-row radiator of all things. But unfortunately, it's coming out of Australia, and Australia doesn't ship to the U.S. So, because of all this tariff stuff. Let's see. I did find a couple of 4-rows. Also, one out of Michigan, one out of New Jersey, I think. I'll try them, again, off of eBay. I don't know what else I'm going to do next. Other than interior. There's always doors. I'm dreading the doors because I don't know how to do the doors. What more do I have left for wiring? Oh yeah, I got a couple things I could wire out. Yeah, okay, I've got some ideas. Okay, so here's where we are for the night. I'm done. I'm going to make another couple of entries. Here is the windshield washer bottle, the new one that I found, and a universal pump that I ordered off of Amazon. It's like a perfect fit for this little cage here. I've done some wiring. One wire for a stereo system that I do not have yet. Another for the windshield washer pump itself, as you can see. And I've got some clear tubing zipped around between the top and where it's going to go through, down there, on and on and on. I've got, I'll pause and show you, a bunch of tees that I'd bought a long time ago, so these are perfect for what I'll be needing. And I've got an entire roll of that clear tubing still left. So where is it? There it is. There it came from. So that's going to be put up against this'n and that'n, and that'll be easy and quick. I don't know what's next. I have to figure that out. Oh yeah, this is what's next. I got to put these in nice and painted up. I de-rustified these things. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I've got to put the seals on there anyway. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow.